and welcome to the second Tornado Watchers. Sadly, my friend Brittany, who used to sit right here and right here, she was swept up by one of the tornadoes and flung around. We have still yet to see her whereabouts. I'm going to take you back inside where the storm used to be and show you all that's left. Maybe if I'm lucky, my friend will fly back down from the air. She will come and visit me and be back. But prayers only go so far. So I can wish. Brittany, I love and miss you.
White dog.
I'm sitting staring out this window, and I'm wondering where you are.
As you can see, this is all that's left. Everything looks like it's okay, but it's not. I have still yet to see my friend Brittany, or find my glasses. Those were the days. Very much so. What was that? My glasses! We found them! They're broken. Tornadoes are so cruel. I have one thing to say to every tornado. I will say it like this. Give me back my friend and the other part of my glasses. Please. Quit killing things. The earth isn't a whore. It isn't a whore.
Where'd you go?